Where you going, Max? Oh, you got some chicken feed? Yeah? Yeah, that's where we light the fire. Hey, chickens! Okay, you want to feed them? Alright, let's get the other ones out, too. Let's let this one down. Hey, let go of the chicken, Max. Max, put him down. No, it's okay. Let him down. Max, you don't have to catch the chickens. Max, don't chase them. Max, lift it up. Max, lift it up. Lift it up. Lift up the door. Pull it open. There you go. Left, up, higher. There goes one. Okay, you want some corn? There you go. We're going to have to get some more chicken feed. Don't waste all of it. Max, here, put it in here. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six, Max. Yeah, you want to put the food over by them? No. No? Go ahead, put it by him. All right, I think that's enough. You think that's enough? No more? You want to fatten your chickens up? You want to make fat chickens? No. No? You going to eat them chickens? Or you going to get the eggs? Eggs? Yeah. We want eggs. All right, you caught him. Look, yeah, he sees the food. He's going to spill it all, Max. Put him down. I know. Easy. No, he don't want to eat any. You don't have to force him. He's going to bite you. See? Ah, look. See? He's in there. They spilling it.
No! Go! Go! Wait.
Why'd you spill it on him?
Put it.
Okay, here, just... You want to put the lid back on? No, you got water in there. Don't hit the chickens. Max! Max! Give me that. That's bad. That's enough. It's enough. Max, that's enough. Here, put some more in. Okay, let me put some in here. Put it in here. Okay. All right, stop. Okay, put the lid back on. We got to pick up the water. We got to put the water in there. Okay? Here, put it down. No. Hey, chickens. Here, chick. Tell them, here, chick. See your chickens?
Where?
Yeah, in the water. Okay, let's put the lid back on.
No.
Yes. They had enough, and we gotta save some food for them, Max. Okay? They had enough. Too much. Okay, can we put the water in? There we go. We did it. Max can catch some chickens. You want to put them back in? Okay, put them back in. Oh, you missed them. All right. Good job, Max. Greasy fast, right, Max? Almost. Hurry, Max. Oh, you almost had him. Oh, I seen that. After that rooster again, huh? You brave, Max. Whoa. Whoa. Slippery, huh? Almost. Go slow, go slow. Creep up on him. Creepy, Max. Go creeping. Creepy, creepy, creepy. Go creepy. Slow. Don't throw stuff at the chickens, Max. Max. Slow down a little bit. Go creepy on them. Yeah. I seen that. Oh, you almost had him. No, Max. Max, no throwing stuff. All right, slow down. Look, Max. Almost. Mm-hmm. Only 4 more to go, Max. I think I should give you some help. You want some help? Want Papa help you catch chickens? Okay. All right, signing off. Here to catch chickens.